Alright, before we spill the beans, quick heads up. If you want to snag a special ManyChat discount, hit that link in the description below right now. Trust me, your wallet will thank you later. Right, let's get into it. So, if you're running a small business, you already know that every penny counts, especially when it comes to tools that actually help you grow. And that's where ManyChat slides in smoother than your best dance move at the office party. But let's talk turkey pricing. Is it affordable? Am I getting ripped off? Will I have to eat instant noodles for the rest of the month? Let's break it down. ManyChat starts you off with a free plan. That's right, £0, 0 pence. Perfect for checking things out, setting up basic automations, and sending messages to up to 1,000 contacts. It's like getting a free trial at the gym, but you don't even have to pretend you'll keep going. Now, if you're serious about growing, you'll want to check out the Pro plan. That's where things get juicy. The Pro plan starts at just $15 a month, and yes, that's in dollars, so you don't have to sell your nan's fine china. With Pro, you get unlimited broadcasts, advanced automation, SMS integration, and even more integrations than your cousin's wedding buffet. Plus, you can remove that ManyChat logo, so it looks like you're running a proper business, not some bedroom hustle. And here's the best bit. The price scales with your audience. So, if you're just starting, you're not paying big bucks for contacts you don't even have yet. Pay for what you use, and if your business blows up overnight, well, good for you. Still not sure? ManyChat support is actually helpful, and you don't need to be a tech wizard to get set up. I managed it, and I thought a chatbot was something you gave to your dog. So, if you fancy saving some dosh and automating your business like a pro, don't forget to click the link in the description for your special offer. Go on, treat yourself, and give your business the boost it deserves.